Akala ng marami, kapag sinabing IMG membership, produkto agad ang naiisip. Healthcare, life insurance, investment. Pero let's pause for a second. What if hindi talaga produkto ang pinaka-advantage, kundi ang komunidad? Sa IMG, hindi ka maglalakad mag-isa. May kasama ka sa financial journey mo.
Yes!
May community kang kasama, mga taong pareho ng goal, financial literacy, protection, at long-term freedom. Maraming Pilipino ang may produkto pero walang direction. May insurance pero walang plan. May investment pero walang mentor. May income pero walang system. Sa IMG Network, hindi ka lang binibigyan ng access. Tinutulungan ka, ginagabayan ka, sinusuportahan ka. May mentor na nauna na sa'yo. May community na handang mag-shares ng kanilang lessons, mistakes at wins. May accountability na tutulong sa iyong tumuloy kahit mahirap. Imagine building your financial future surrounded by people who hindi ka hinahatak pababa. Hindi ka pinagtatawanan kapag nagsisimula ka, kundi inaangat ka nila habang inaangat nila ang kanilang sarili. That's rare and that's powerful. Kaya ang tanong, IMG ba is membership lang? Or is it a movement of financially educated Filipinos helping each other win? Because at the end of the day, product can be bought everywhere. But a community that changes how you think about money, that can change your life. If you want more than just a plan, if you want people who will grow with you, then maybe the real advantage is already waiting for you inside the IMG network. Let's start with the right community.